Creating a Trello account is quick and straightforward, allowing you to start organizing tasks right away. Here's how to do it. Visit Trello's website. Go to Trello.com using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Click Sign Up. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Sign Up It's Free button and click it. Enter your information. You'll be prompted to provide basic details. Enter your email address, full name, and create a secure password. Alternatively, you can sign up with an existing Google or Microsoft account for quicker access. Agree to terms. Review Trello's terms of service and privacy policy, then click Create Free Account or similar to proceed. Verify your email. Trello will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Check your inbox and click the verification link to activate your account. Log in and start. Once verified, log in using your email and password. Trello may guide you through a brief onboarding tutorial to familiarize you with the interface. Download the app. For on-the-go access, download the Trello app on your smartphone or tablet via the App Store or Google Play.